family. How you all doing? Yes, it's still the Christmas season. Yes, it's the Christmas season. I welcome you all. And if you see my face for the first time, my name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. Yes, I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. You're welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support this channel. This girl is loyal. Thank you. And for those that are seeing my face, please join the family, be part of this joyful and happy family. So today I am going to be answering some questions. The never have I ever. Yes, there was a time it trended a few months ago, but this one is the Christmas edition. So all the questions are going to be Christmas related. It's centered around Christmas things. There are 10 questions, I'll read the question and then I'll answer it. Please, if you see me looking down, just know that I'm trying to catch the question. Welcome to this. Keep watching. If this looks like what you want to see, I'm sure you want to see what I haven't done or what I have done. So the first question is, never have I ever regifted a present. You know, in Christmas season, especially if you work in an office or even in church, there are sometimes they will tell you pick somebody, wrap a paper and then people will give you gifts. Sometimes you get some gifts that you really don't need. So the question is, never have I ever regifted a present. Have I can't remember. No, I haven't. I can't remember ever regifting a present. A present is a present, is treasure. Sometimes I just keep it and I will end up not using it. It will be there for a very long time. But we'll use it. But I've never ever regifted a present to me. No, I haven't. But for the kids, I have. There was a time somebody gave my son a shoe and it was not the person's size. So I think in the course of the year, I rewrapped the gift and gave it to another child that had a birthday. So personally, I have never regifted, but for my kids, I have. If that answers your question. Number 2, never have I ever eaten a whole bowl of cookie doughs. Oh my God. I have. As a matter of fact, this year, I have cookies. Yes. During Christmas, there are cookies. You can buy them in the stores. You can make them yourself. I love cookies, especially the lemon cookies, and I can eat them over and over again. So I think I have done that, and it was recently. Number 3 says, never have I ever snuck one of Santa's cookies. That's not common here. Snucking Santa cookies doesn't apply to where I am, because we don't where I am, or maybe let me use myself as an example. I don't keep cookies for Santas to come and take, so I have never ever done that. As a matter of fact, that sounds really new to me as a Niger girl. It sounds really new to me. Number 4 says, never have I ever given a petty present. Petty present. If I want to give somebody something, I like to give something that is worthy. That's something that costs me. Something that, so never have I ever given a petty present in Christmas. No, I like to give something that is valuable. Yes. So we go to number 5. Never have I ever given a coupon book as present. A coupon book as present. No, never have I done that. Another one says, never have I ever lied about a present getting delayed in the mall. Never have I ever lied about a present getting delayed in the mall. No. And you know why this you keep saying present, because it's Christmas season and Christmas comes with giftings. And let me ask you a question. Have you packaged your gifts? Have you packaged your gift for your kids? Have you packaged your gifts for your husband, your partner, your friend? Have you packaged your gifts? If you haven't, it's an opportunity to do that. And let me know in the comment section, is it a big deal to you for gifts? For me personally, it's not really a big deal, but I get gifts every Christmas. And if I don't get gifts in Christmas, so long I have my Christmas dress. I have my Christmas dress. So let me know in the comment section, if you don't get gift on Christmas Day, is it going to be an issue? And not for the children, of course, because the children have to open something under the Christmas tree. Have you put the gift under the Christmas tree for your kids? Do you do that in your house? Do you believe in it? Let me know at the comment section. So we go to number 7. Number 7. Please, if you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. I've not done this before and I'm also loving it. I hope you're loving it too. Number 7 says, never have I ever spent more than $1,000 on Xmas presents. Oh my God, $1,000 is a lot. I have never ever, up to date now, I have never ever spent $1,000 on a Christmas present. Although I got myself an Apple iPad laptop, and it was more than $1,000. I was trying to gift that to myself as Christmas gift, but I ended up not buying it in Christmas season. I bought it in the following year, which was January, and so it wasn't a Christmas gift. But never have I ever spent more than $1,000 on Christmas gifts. So let's stay by the theme. It said on Christmas gifts. Number 8 says, never have I ever gifted someone with a December birthday one present both occasion. Never have I ever gifted someone with a December birthday a present both occasion. Yes, like I have a friend, she's October 25th, and that's her birthday actually. So I don't go buying 2 presents. That's the truth. I just buy one present that represents her birthday and represents the Christmas celebration. Because anyway, if I'm going to show up in a house and it's a Christmas day, if it was not her birthday, I will come with a gift. But since it was her birthday, I just buy something that is valuable. So instead of me, ordinarily I want to spend like, let's say $100 on a gift for her, because it's Christmas, I could go as far as adding like 20 or 50 to make it worthy of praise. Number 9, we are gradually coming to the end of this. Said, never have I ever spent Christmas in an airport. In an airport, no, I have never spent Christmas in an airport. I know some people travel, they worked like 23rd, 24th, and they get to travel, and then you have to transit, and if anything happens that the flight is delayed, you end up spending the night. I know somebody that has spent the night in the airport, that has even spent the New Year at the airport, but I personally have never. If I want to travel for Christmas, it's that I go early. I like to go early. I like to get to where I'm going early and just settle into the system before the Christmas fever will start, proper Christmas celebration and Christmas cantata, so I have never spent the night at the airport. The last but not the least says, never have I ever spent Christmas in a warm country. Never have I ever spent Christmas in a warm country. Oh yes, I have spent. As a matter of fact, for the better part of my life, till like 9 years ago, I've always spent Christmas in a warm country. I'm from Nigeria, and Nigeria is usually warm. Yeah, so I have always spent my Christmas in a warm country till 9 years ago. But 3 years ago, I was also in Nigeria, so I had my Christmas in Nigeria. So have I ever spent Christmas in a warm country? I'm a dark girl, so it is expected. I have. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please can you like the video? Let me know if this is what you like to do. I can send you the question if you're a content creator. Otherwise, just like the video for me and share it. Please try and share it. If you can, I will appreciate that also. Till I see you in my next video, it's your girl Esther. This is saying Merry Christmas to you. Enjoy the season. The season is about love, it's about sharing, and let's join the angels to sing Hosanna in the highest this season like never before. Till I see you in my next video, remain blessed at all times. God love you and I love you. If you're new here, please like the video, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I love to read your comment. Love you all. Peace out.